Today we're going to be doing a little introduction to the four states of water. States of matter is another way of putting this. So we're going to go ahead and start by looking at the picture above. So living in South Dakota, we're able to connect this pretty easily with our life out here. Let's think right now some ways that we have seen water. We've seen it in snow, we've seen it ice, we've seen it rain, we've probably seen fog. Let's just keep those in mind as we're reading along through our passage. Water, water everywhere. The photo above represents water in three common states of matter. States of matter are different phases in which any given type of matter can exist. There are actually four well-known states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. All right, guys, let's take note of that second sentence. The states of matter are different phases in which any given type of matter can exist. Go ahead and highlight states of matter are different phases in which any given type of matter can exist. Also highlight the words four well-known states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Those are going to be some words that we need to memorize for the future. Moving on, let's talk about plasma. Plasma isn't represented in the iceberg photo, but the other three states of matter are. Let's go ahead and glance back up at the iceberg photo. The iceberg itself consists of water in the solid state, and the lake consists of water in the liquid state. Let's ask ourselves a question. Do you think it's possible that there could also be some water in the gas state ever on this lake, in between the lake and the ice? The answer is yes, it can be gas. Water forms gas when it evaporates from the lake into the air. So let's go back and reread what we need to take away from this passage. The states of matter are different phases in which any given type of matter can exist. There are actually four well-known states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Once again, let's repeat ourselves. Looking back at our visual of the iceberg, we can see we have a solid, which is the ice, the liquid, which is the lake, and we can visualize some gas coming off of it. All right, guys, look forward to class tomorrow.